Hello my people, how na day? Good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching from. I hope everybody is okay. So today I want to talk about Ingresso Minimal Vital. So now I want to talk about today. So if it's your first time of watching my video, if today is your first time of watching my video, don't forget, remember to subscribe to our channel, so that whenever we'll be adding new video, you'll be having a notification for the new thing that we'll be talking about. So today I want to talk about this rental minimal vital, because I dey say for news, some people see they make little mistakes. I will watch for news say some immigrants, some of them don't they pay money, they give people money. Please don't give your money to anybody. This rental minimal, this Ingresso Minimal Vital, wey come out na good thing. So we just thank God, we appreciate God, because God knows say behind anything, any trouble wey person gets, the front there must be green light. You understand? So this Ingresso Minimal Vital, now for people wey be say, for example, you dey work, because the way this one take different from the other income wey government said they put it, this one different. The way this one take different, it says that if you dey work, maybe the money wey you dey receive e no reach the amount, the minimum wages, so government go come complete am for you. If you see am for when they bring this thing come out, they put am say those people wey be say they already get equal cargo, maybe you don already get equal cargo, maybe na family wey don born, you get one money wey they give children every 6 months, because as the money small, so the government come dey gather am together. Every 6 months they go pay the children. You understand? So na so it be. So those people wey be say they already be beneficial of that money, government come automatically make the solicitude for them, come solicit am for them. For some people, not everybody. So that is why they say, if you know say they go send a message, maybe they will send later, to people wey be say they answer. You understand? People wey they answer, they will send letter to them through post office. You go receive the letter, you go see and say the right answer for them. For those people wey not receive letter, if you know say you would dey equal cargo, you not receive any letter, I go advise you, may you put in by yourself. So this putting, now there are many ways the way you be putting for now. Now because say this everywhere see the law, but we thank God say things don't see the good, everywhere don't see the street they okay. And my advice for people say, as it be said that they open up everything, may we not forget say this COVID you see they outside. We just have to take precaution, follow the instruction of the government. We abide with the laws. We follow the instruction of the government. You understand? Social distance. Wash your hand. Use your hand sanitizer. You understand? Where people too full, not gather for there. Where people too full, not gather for there. Now beg. Now midday. Just as the government they beg us. Beg too. You understand? Social distance. So that this pandemic wey person don pass, this stress, this lockdown, everything, so that no go repeat itself again. And for the benefit of everybody, especially the old people, the vulnerable ones. You understand? So you protect yourself, you protect others. You protect yourself, you protect others as well. So this Ingresso Minimal Vital, there are many ways to solicit it, to put in for it. You understand? If you put in through internet, so you go enter the Seguridad Social website, so you enter there, you'll see the website for them. If you put it through there, those people will be say it benefit for them, you go see talk about that one. So if you put in through there, or you enter inside the website, you bring all the papers, all the document will be say they need, go see them for there, you bring and come out, you go look all the document will be say they need, you bring all of them come out. If you go print them come out, if you get them, you photocopy the photocopy and if you post am through post office as well, you sign, you fill am the form and everything, you add all the document wey dem say make you put for inside, you go post am through post office. That one na say another way, 2 ways now. You fit put in through through internet, you fit still go put in through post office. You understand? So na so e be. For those people wey be say e fit solicit for this thing about it, let me go to immigration, because I dey watch for news say some immigrants they go for some state for Spain here. So they go for ayuntamiento, they get some fake news, all the fake news wey dey everywhere. Say if somebody get padron, if you get padamento, you understand? That is your address. Say if you don't get padron, you see they're entitled to put in for this ingresso minimum vita. That one a typical pure lie. Some of them, who they say they will pay money. You understand? I understand everybody's situation. But the law way they put for this ingresso minimum vita say, if you be immigrant, you don't there for this country, and you don't get resident, your resident don't read 1 year. If your resident don't read 1 year, no problem. You fit go solicit. If you know the work, or if you know the one be your work finish, or you dey receive paro, or maybe the paro wey you dey receive it dey lesser than the income wey you supposed to get. Maybe for example now you get wife or you get children, you get pikin, you understand, you get children, and the money wey they receive e not reach the real money wey you supposed to receive. Fine, you fit go put in for inside. If na you or your wife, you fit go put it. You understand? So now, like I said, that story where you dey hear, where they talk, carry they go say, if you don't get padron, in a parlamento you get, if your padron don't read, you get title. My brothers and sisters, don't let people deceive you. No fall for all these wrong people hands. If you get anything where you don't understand, nobody there. You call Segura Social one, which is Social Security. You call them. If you call them, they go explain to you. There's no need of giving money to lawyer. There's no need of giving money to somebody or those people they call themselves Historia. There's no need to give them anybody money. If there's anything you don't understand, go to the website, the Social Security website. You will see everything that you are looking for, their phone numbers. You will see them. You will see all of them there. You call. So now this I say I do short video to stay enlighten people. You understand? For people who don't receive the letter, fine, because the letter they write put say like the equal account that they paid before. So they go do discount come up for inside. They go pay the remaining one every month. They go see they pay now, so they take one. So for those people who say don't receive later, there is no need for you to put in again. There is no need for you, except maybe you don't receive this thing, you can't born pikin, or your situation can't change, or things like that. Fine, anything you go take appointment to your social security office, which is a Segura Social. You take appointment, go meet there, you explain to them, you show your house address and all those things. You understand? So now so, and the other thing where you see they be say, anybody where be say don't they put in for this ingresso minimum visa, you go make sure say they do declaration de renta, because those are one of those things where they need declaration de renta, your libro de familia for those people that have children, your resident. After your resident don't read 1 year for the country, you are entitled to put in for it. So that is it. I will say I clear on our mind for the little doubts you wanna get. But if there's anything you don't understand, feel free, drop your comments. You drop your comment, you ask your question. Wait till you don't understand, maybe for the video, get what you know, or you should get what you know, when me don't know. If you stay free, drop your comments for there. So God bless you. Thank you for watching. If you're first time of watching our video, please subscribe. If you like what we they do, you click the like button. You press you also click that bell where it did there, so that anything where would they upload for the video, you will get notification. You will get notification. I not gonna need to come to share them for WhatsApp. I not gonna need to come to share again for WhatsApp for you or things like that. As I say, you don't subscribe. Anything with me just upload, you go just they will just send out for you. They'll say, I me don't see upload another video. So you go see know what we see talk about where we they go. So everybody go they carry ourselves along. So God bless you all. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.